You doing? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, talk to me. I feel the same way too. Beautiful, ain't they? Sun bring everything out. Where these pretty ladies at? You got your lady. Where these pretty ladies at, Duck? Nothing but L7 squares and billies. Come on, man. Lake used to be wall to wall with pretty ladies. They didn't run them all with the new stuff. And y'all know what that do. You see any pretty ladies out there, let me get up out of here. Straight Milligan. Come on, man. It is truly beautiful, ain't it? You have to admit. Huey P. Newton stayed at the top of this thing way back in the day. Yes, he is. Having fun.